It's Mila at WTI, and today I want to share with you my Kate Spade backpack that I absolutely love. You guys, one of the things that I love about this backpack is definitely going to be that front pack here. So you can access this little area without having to get into the main backpack, which is nice. So you can keep your phone handy or even put like a main credit card that you want on easy access. It's perfect for that. The next thing I like about this bag is going to be the main compartment because it's big. Let me show you. So it has a nice button magnetic connection here, which makes it super easy to open and close. And then it's also got a drawstring, so you can tighten that if you wish to do so. But inside, it fits quite a lot of things. And you can see it's got a zipper compartment that I have chapstick in. And it's also got a pouch on the bottom. Do you see that? I love that area because you can put sunglasses. So if you don't want to bring a sunglass case with you, all you got to do is get rid of that bulky case and slide it in that bottom pouch just like so. And I obviously have quite a few things in there. I got sunscreen. You can fit a ton in here. I love that about this. So I guess I might as well show you the backpack on. So as you can see, I'm wearing it with a dress and it looks really cute. So I love the versatility of this bag because it's in black and it just has a couple gold details. You can really pull it off with different outfits. I love it. Super comfortable, super useful. That's my point of view.